Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hey guys, welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable Season 2. This is me Varun Inamdar and I am here along with some of your most loved chefs to show you a new tiffin recipe for every school day. So today, let's make veg skewers. One, because they're nutritious, and two, they're tasty. Also, the marinade makes it absolutely delectable for the kids. On that note, let's make har din naya tiffin, har din empty tiffin. We need to begin this recipe by making the marinade for the vegetables, and for this I'm going to use Kissan Sweet and Spicy Sauce. Well, this is used for flavor, it's used for taste. It's also going to add a beautiful caramelized note to the vegetables when they bake. Also, it has a lovely zing. The next, to add in a little bit of spike, I'm using in freshly crushed peppercorns. The next is green chili sauce, and this one could be optional. Also, some dark soy sauce, followed by chopped parsley and some salt. We need to give this a mix. With this, our marination is ready. Let's next move on to skewering a few vegetables. I'm using zucchini because zucchini has a lot of vitamin C and primarily potassium. And potassium is something that gives you the fluid balance in the body. The next is red capsicum, and along with this, green zucchini. I'm using assorted bell peppers. Along with this, red onion, tofu, and finally, baby corn. While I am choosing to use these vegetables, you can use any vegetables of your choice. Let's place this on a baking tray and make a few more skewers. Finally, let's apply the marination. This now goes in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius. With this, our vegetable skewers are done and ready. Allow these to cool down completely, and in the interim, let's pack our tiffin. For this today, I have some crisp khakras, and with this, some watermelon scoops. Finally, vegetable skewers. I hope I've taken care of your child's tiffin for tomorrow. Do not forget to subscribe to India Food Network for more such delicious tiffin recipes. Stay tuned, I shall be back to show you how to make har din naya tiffin, har din empty tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.